welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into Amazon Jobs account. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in Amazon Jobs Login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now, from all the search result, head over to the first result that says account.amazon.jobs. Click over there. That will take you to the login page. Now, as you can see on this interface, there is a dialog box. You can use your Amazon.com or Google account in order to log in. So, if you want to go with that, or else you can also use your email address associated with your Amazon Job account. For that, enter your email address associated with your Amazon Job account, or if you don't have an account yet, you can simply create one if you click on this link provided that says create one and follow the procedure to create a new account. Now once you're done typing in your email, click on continue, and on the next page you will be asked to enter your password. So enter the correct password, and after that click on login, and on the next page you should be able to log into your Amazon Jobs account. So that's how you can simply log into Amazon Jobs account. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.